Calculating exterior angles of a polygon is much more straightforward. First though, to get rid of a misconception, this used to confuse the heck out of me when I was at school. When we talk about the exterior angle, we don't mean the whole of that angle on the outside joined to the interior angle. To find the exterior angle of a shape by extending the line of one of the sides and forming an angle that joins it back to the shape, and it's that bit there. So any of those sides, you find the exterior angle by extending the line of one of the sides and forming an angle that joins it back to the shape. The formula for calculating exterior angles is nice and straightforward. It's 360 divided by the number of sides. So if we had a regular pentagon and I wanted to find one of the exterior angles, I would divide 360 by 5, the number of sides. And each exterior angle will be 72 degrees, and that exterior angle will be extending one of those sides, and that's the angle that will be 72 degrees. Here's one for you to try. Have a regular hexagon, calculate one of the exterior angles. 360 divided by 6, and that's 60. And that's each exterior angle of a regular hexagon. So if you extend one of those sides with a line, that angle there is 60 degrees. You can sometimes use this formula to help you find the interior angle, which means you wouldn't have to use the n minus 2 times 180, which a lot of students find difficult to remember. Because that 60 degrees is on a straight line, the rest of it needs to add up to 180. So that interior angle is 120. However, you do still need to know the n minus 2 times 180 because there are some exam questions that ask you specifically to show your knowledge of that formula. But if you're not specifically asked to do that, this is often an easier way of working out an interior angle. Likewise, the regular pentagon. Remember that the exterior angle was 72. That means that the interior angle must be 108. Because angles on a straight line add up to 180.